How to build a Telegram quiz bot that generates structured MCQ questions from any text without coding. If you are someone who is preparing for exams, running a Telegram study group, or someone who is just tired of manually sending questions every single day, this is going to change the game for you. We all know that Telegram is where all the learning happens these days. It is where students share notes, test series, or even those interactive MCQ questions that everybody loves. But the problem is that feeding that quiz bot is a painfully slow process. You either have to feed each question manually or forward them from any other group. That's it. There is no easy way to pick it from a PDF or a ChatGPT output or just pull questions from outside Telegram. Until now, I have built a workflow that works as the backend of that Telegram bot, where you can just get a list of questions from ChatGPT, put it in that Telegram bot, and it will respond with individual MCQ units in the structure that works within Telegram that could be useful for your personal use or even to share with others. In this video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough of this system, as well as I'll give you the entire blueprint for free that you can download using the link in the description. I'll not only just give you a walkthrough, but I'll be showing you how to import that and configure each module step by step to get the Telegram bot up and running on your end. Before diving in, if you are new here, hi, I am Mohit Mrinal, a developer turned AI consultant and content creator. I build custom AI automation and AI agents for businesses, and I teach them here on this channel. So if this is something of your interest, consider subscribing. Enough talking, let's get started. So this is the wonderful workflow I'm talking about. It is a pretty simple one. So this is a platform called N8N where you can build workflows like this. You can sign up for a free account that can give you a 14-day free trial, and then you can subscribe to any plan that you prefer. So the very first thing that we'll do is I'll just download this and show you exactly from scratch how to work with it. Let's say I'll just name it quiz in the downloads. Okay, and when you'll sign up, you will be on the dashboard like this, where you can create a workflow and then go to import from file and import the blueprint that I'll be sharing with you. Right, this is a JSON file type, so make sure of it. So the very first thing that we need is the Telegram to send us a message. When you send a message on your Telegram bot, then it should trigger. And that's why we need to create a Telegram bot. It's a very simple process. You need to go to the bot father. I'll include the link of the bot father in the description below so you can have the access to it. It is a free service from official Telegram itself. You just have to come to the bot father and say new bot. It will ask you for a name that you want to provide to the bot, and I'll say N8N tutorial bot for MMAI. Cool. And then it will ask for a bot username, which should be unique. So I'll say N8N Mohit testing bot. You can name it anything you want. It should be just available. And this is the only thing that you need to care about. This is the token. I'll just copy it, and this is the URL to your bot. So this is the bot. I'll just say start, and we also need to configure and check the chat ID so that it can specifically be useful for your Telegram account. So this is the link where we can check the updates for a particular bot. I'll also include the URL to this on the description below. You'll have to just replace the text after this bot with the token ID of the bot that you created, and that's it. Now it will fetch whatever activity is being done with the bot. So I'll just say hi here, and now refresh this, and now we have this ID. So these are the only two things that you need to configure from the Telegram end. Let's come back to our automation workflow now. So this is the very first node, and you have to connect it to your Telegram bot. Click here, create new credential, and put the access token that we just received from the Telegram bot father. Connection is made. Cool. If you want to test this, just say, test step, and it got me the message which was hi. Cool. Now when we have the message, now we need to connect it with OpenAI message model. So what it does is basically it takes up whatever input you are sending to the Telegram bot and uses AI. For this, you need to make an OpenAI API connection. It is different from your regular ChatGPT account. So you need to go to platform.openai.com and you have to top up. Maybe even $5 is enough because it works on consumption basis. Then you come to API key section and create a new secret key. Just give it any name and create the secret key. You will get another alphanumeric code that you need to put in here. Create new credential, put the API key, bam, it's connected. Then for the model, I'm using GPT-4o Mini here, but you can choose and work with any model that you want. But GPT-4o Mini is fine. So this is the prompt which I guess you don't have to change. It is basically instructing it that I'll be providing you with the entire message of multiple MCQs with question, options, the correct answer, and your job is to convert it into multiple arrays of JSON with this JSON structure, so that we have a structured way of putting and utilizing the output to be set as MCQs for Telegram. So basically a complete all questions array which will contain items like this with the question text, options, and the correct option ID. That's it. So cool. And then when we have it, and the output to this message model will be an array of a lot of objects, the number of question whatever you are inputting it with, and then we want to split it out so that each one of them can be operated upon individually. So this is just a split out module from the JSON output from this OpenAI message. Another thing to note over here is that I have configured it to output content as JSON, which is a very useful and important feature. Otherwise, it will reply as the plain text, which is not so useful for us. We have to then parse that JSON and all. Cool. So yeah, the only changes that you need to make is create the Telegram connection here, and the other change is to also be able to send the exact message from the output here to your same Telegram bot. For this, we are using a HTTP request, and this is where you need to make the change. This is the exact same access token that we got from the bot father, and instead of get updates, it is using send poll endpoint. That's it. And headers, application JSON, body, and this is the body structure. I'm using it to send it to the chat ID that I'm operating with. So that's why we did it like this here. I'll just copy this ID, and that's all we need to change here. The question is taken from the JSON output, the options are also taken from the JSON output, and the correct option ID. You don't have to make any changes here, you just have to change the chat ID, and that's it. Save and make it active. Cool. So this is the bot that we'll be using, and let's also get to the point where we will be using AI to generate the questions. Yeah. So give me 10 MCQ question for class 12 biology with question 4 options as well as marking on which one is the correct answer. So I'll just copy all of it and paste it over here, and that's it. In no time, it should be processing the text, figuring out these 10 questions individually, making them in a structured JSON format, and using it with the send poll API endpoint to get back to us with 10 MCQ questions. Yeah, here we are. These are the questions, and you just have to start participating. And I guess, okay, for every correct answer, it's the native Telegram thing. Let's see. I'm just making random guesses. I'm not a medical student, so I am not very good at biology. Okay. And yeah, with random selection, I got 4 out of 10. I'll just include the URL of how you can get the exact blueprint, the endpoint to this, as well as the link to the bot father to build this and get started. I hope this was easy to follow. If you hit the like button, that would motivate me to make more such videos in the future. I genuinely try to make them as simple as possible for anybody to implement. And if you are a business who has a custom requirement, you can book a discovery call using the link below, or you can directly email me at hi@mohitmrinal.com. Connect with me over my LinkedIn, where I post AI insights on a daily basis. And as promised, find the link to the blueprint in the description below as well, along with the URLs to all the platforms that we used in this tutorial. Share it with someone who might be interested in the AI space, and consider subscribing because more walkthroughs, use cases, and implementation tutorials are coming soon.